Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So far we have discussed a lot of things related to cross product or vector product, starting from the basic introductory concepts, their properties, cross product of unit vectors, some basic applications of cross product. So now, as we do with all the previous concepts that we discussed, first we discuss the concepts, then discuss questions, problems associated with it. Okay, so this is the first question, very simple, straightforward. It has been asked to find the cross product of the given vectors. A vector given as 2i cap, B vector given as minus 2i cap plus 4j cap. So we know that if we have two vectors, A vector, let's say it's represented as axi cap plus ayj cap plus azk cap, and we have B vector as bxi cap plus byj cap plus bzk cap, where ax, ay, az are the x, y and z components of A vector, bx, by, bz are the x, y and z components of B vector. Then their cross product is given, or it can be evaluated as this: ax, ay, az, bx, by, bz, the resultant determinant, this. So here, substituting the values I cap, j cap, k cap for A vector, it's 2, 0, 0, y and z components are 0, only x component is there. For V vector it is minus 2, 4 and 0, this. So we have to evaluate the determinant, which is equal to I cap into 0 minus 0, 0 into 0 minus 4 into 0, which is 0 minus 0, minus j cap in 2 into 0 minus minus 2 into 0, which is 0 minus 0 again, plus k cap 2 into 4 minus minus 2 into 0, which is 8 minus 0. So the resultant is, the vector is 8k cap. So the cross product or vector product of these two vectors is 8k cap. A vector cross B vector, this. Okay, so this is the second question. Again, find the vector product of the given two vectors. A vector 3i cap minus 5j cap plus k cap, and B vector is 4i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So the question can be given in various ways. Sometimes it will be asked to find a cross product, sometimes it will be asked to find the vector product. So do not get confused. Cross product and vector product, they are the same thing. Similarly, for dot product, it will be sometimes asked scalar product, sometimes will be asked dot product. So don't confuse both of them, they are the same thing. So cross product or vector product of these two vectors, simple and straightforward. A vector cross B vector, the determinant of the following: the x, y and z components of A, and here it is x, y and z components of B. 3 minus 5, 1, 4, 2 minus 3. So here it is I cap minus 5 into minus 3, which is 15, minus 2 into 1, which is 2, minus j cap 3 into minus 3, which is minus 9, minus 4 into 1, 4. Then k cap 3 into 2, 6, minus 4 into minus 5, which is minus 26, minus minus 20. So this is 13i cap plus 13j cap. Why? minus j into minus 13, which is plus 13j cap. And here it is 6 minus minus 20, which is 26 k cap. This is the resultant vector, C vector, A vector, cross B vector. Whether we call it vector product, cross product, they're the same thing. So this is the result. Okay, this is the resultant vector product or cross product. Okay, so here is another question, very simple and straightforward question, to find the cross product of the two vectors given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap and minus 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So let us call this as A vector and this as B vector. So A vector cross B vector is given as the determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, x, y and z components of A, 1, 1 and 1, x, y and z components of B, minus 3, 1 and minus 2, which is equal to I cap 1 into minus 2, which is minus 2, minus 1 into 1, which is 1, minus j cap 1 into minus 2, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, then plus k cap 1 into 1, which is 1, minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3, 1 minus 3. So that is equal to minus 3I cap. This is minus j multiplied with minus 2 plus 3, which is 1. So it will be minus j into 1, which is minus j cap. And this will be 1 minus 3, which is 1 plus 3, which is 4 k cap. Minus 3I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap. So this is the resultant A vector cross B vector. This. Okay.